Once she was a child, full of joy, her eyes sparkling, her heart full of life. With dreams ahead, the road was clear, and faith she embraced, a life of cheer.
Then came a sudden storm of pain. The loss of her mother left her heart broken. But through the sorrow, she pressed on with unwavering strength. She carried on.
Her father provided her with wisdom and care. In his embrace, she learned to trust, to dare. His protection became her constant force, empowering her through life's winding course.
Though her sight dim in college years, hope never faltered, nor did her fears. With determination, she achieved each goal. Her hard work led her to claim control.
Into her life, love softly arrived, bringing warmth where once she had strived. Their hearts connected, a bond strong and true, a love that grew as the days it knew.
I promise, forever, my love will stand. Side by side, we'll walk hand in hand. Through every storm, through joy and strife, I'll be there every step of life.
That courage, they walked through thick and thin. Hand in hand, they found strength within. Surrounded by friends, with love as their guide, they faced each challenge, never to hide.
Today marks a year of triumph and grace. She succeeded in work, love, and life's embrace. Through persistence, she continues to rise, a beacon of hope to inspire the skies.
She stands as a guide for all to see, a symbol of strength and tenacity. Her spirit a spark that lights the way, urging others to rise, come what may.
With wisdom and strength, she paves her own way, turning hardships to lessons each passing day. Her journey shines bright, unwavering and true, a testament to all that dreams can come through.